guys, this wreath is going to be super easy to do. I first wanted to say, please watch this video till the end because there is a surprise for one of you guys. So please stay to the end and I will explain more. Enjoy the video. Okay, you're going to need an 18-inch wreath form and you're going to need some pipe cleaners. You can cut them at random lengths. I kind of put it in half and cut them, but you can also use shorter ones. I'll show you here. I have shorter ones that I cut as well. So you don't have to just cut it in half. You can get more out of your pipe cleaner if you do it shorter ones too. Then I'm going to show you how we're going to take, I have different mesh here, and I have such a high stash of supplies. These are meshes that I've had a couple of years now. I couldn't tell you where I got them. Probably most likely Hobby Lobby or something like that. I cut them 10 inches wide, and I'll show you here. I just had it where it was 10 inches wide, and I just cut it there. And then you're just going to take the mesh, and you're going to take and roll them up just like this. And you're just going to roll it up. Super, super easy. And then you're just going to take your tie in the middle. I did it two different ways. This is kind of like a longer way of doing, like you're going to scrunch the middle. Then you're going to take your pipe cleaner and tie it off. Twist it a couple of times so it stays, secure there. And then you're going to place it on the middle ring wire in the middle of the wreath there. And this one I kind of left where it's kind of long. It's not I'll show you another way I'm going to roll it as well. But super easy. Just get it on there and tie it tight. Give it a couple good twists there and tie it on there. And just move it to the side. Then I'm going to show you here how we're going to take with the green one. You're going to hold it up like bunny ears like that. Take it real tight and twist it at the bottom. It kind of helps it stand up a little better. And then you're just going to add it to there. Now you can also add all three of these that I'm going to show you how to do. And you can put it on one bundle and just take one tie and zip tie all three of them together and put on there. I individually did it. I like to play around and move them around a little bit different, but you definitely could do that. Make it really super fast and easy to do. You're going to go all the way around the wreath, and I'm showing you right here where I've kind of got partial done. See how full and how cute this is? I think it's going to come out adorable. Then you're just, like I said, keep rolling, just keep adding. You can make these bundles while you're watching TV, set them aside, make them the day ahead of time, and then just sit down and put your wreath together. You're just going to continue to do this until, like I said, you get all the way around, and make sure you're pushing them against each other because you want to fit as many on a section as you can. And I'm sorry, guys, I did not count how many of these I cut and did because I did them individually as I went. So I didn't waste a lot of mesh cutting out a bunch of bundles that I didn't need. So I just did them one at a time. Like I'm showing you here, just cut it at 10 inches again. And then you're just going to continue to keep making this till you get it full. Now I'm going to take ribbon and tube mesh that look like Easter colors, and I'm going to make little picks with them and put it throughout the wreath here. I think it gives it a cute Easter but whimsical look, and it just makes it really adorable. You can add as much to this wreath as you want, little. You don't, just make it as simple as you want, as much as you want, over the top, whatever. Just make it yours. Also, I found later some blue mesh, purple mesh, tubing mesh, and some different ribbon. And I'll show you here in a minute where I added in here. Just gives it a whole different look. See, here's where I added the purple and the blue and the different ribbon in there. I think it come out really cute. I think adding that mesh is really something. Here I bought the bunny head that I'm going to put in here. I got it at Dollar Tree for $3. It's pretty good size. It's really, really cute. I have carrots that I'm going to add and some sparkly eggs. Like I said, add what you want to add. You don't have to put what I'm putting. I could have added more carrots to it. I might eventually still do that. But you just randomly put it wherever you feel you want to stick one. And just keep filling up your wreath, decorate it the way you want. I didn't finish the top part because I originally thought I'd put a bow there, but then I thought, no, I'm going to fill it all the way in. So you will see later on where I fill it all the way in. I'm cutting off the ribbon that was put on these eggs so I can stick it in my wreath. I like the way they look. They add a little sparkle. It's so cute. So easy, guys. So relaxing to do. I hope you guys do try this. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Now I'm going to take the bunny bow off this bunny. It is cute, but I got to go a little bit more over the top. So I remove the bunny bow that they had, and I'm going to replace it with what I have. And I just took random, and I'll leave it down in the description box, the links of ribbon that I used. And then you just glue it on there, and you're going to continue to glue on here. And then you're going to see later on here, I took strips of cloth that I had, and I added to make it into the bow as well. I think it came out really, really cute. I got the ribbon I'm using right here from the Dollar Tree. They have some really cute ribbon. But you can get ribbon anywhere, but I'm just letting you know if you want to make this inexpensive, then that's the place I would probably go to buy my stuff to do this. And now I'm going to show you, I'm just going to keep adding the cloth that I'm going to use for this, and just keep adding all this to it. I kind of make this kind of, it looks like a little country kind of bow, and I like that. I just thought it was very cute. When I'm finished here, you'll see it's so cute. I added some greenery as well to this. You don't have to do that. I just thought maybe it just added a little something to it. I'm going to add some more cloth here, and I'm going to show you here in a little bit. If you have like a one-sided cloth where you have the right side, the wrong side, you can actually glue this a certain way so it will always remain showing the good side. And I'm going to show you here in just a second what I do. How I do that. You fold it over, and then you're just going to kind of turn it like that. Just kind of pull it up and hold it like that. I don't know if I showed you well enough, but then you just kind of pierce it like that. So you bunch it up like there in the middle. I don't know how to explain it to you. And then you just glue it down. I did that all the way through. I think this looks really cute with this different kind of cloth ribbon and the regular ribbon to it. Now I'm going to add some greenery to it and some flowers and kind of give it a little zhuzh here. So it'll be really cute actually. When this is done, it is so adorable, guys. So simple to do. All the embellishments with the greenery that I'm using, I did get from the Dollar Tree. They have really cute Easter stuff. I thought the little lavender looked cute. I'll add it to the bow with a little bit of greenery as well. And just kind of, like I said, just keep adding as much or as little as you want. You may not want to do this, and that's fine. You don't have to do it. Like I said, I'm going to kind of go over the top here. And then I found a little rose that I had, and I thought, oh, it's cute. It's pink. I'm going to put it on there and put it in the middle there and kind of tie it off there. I think that looks so cute, or top it off, as I should say. And then I added some more Easter ribbon in there just to kind of give it a little extra Easter look. I think this is coming out so cute, you guys. I really like it. And I'll show you here how it looks when it's finished. I painted up the carrot and the bunny rabbit that you can get at the Dollar Tree. That's just plain wood. I just painted it up and distressed it a little bit, and I'm cutting it off. I'm adding it to the bow. I thought it would just give it a little something cute. And then I'm going to add a little bit of a green leaf off the lavender that I had, and I'm going to stick it on here, just kind of cover up that hole where I tied the jute at. And then we're just going to add some of the, like I said, I'm going to take some loose leaf of the lavender that I used in this, and I'm just going to stick it on there. I think this looks really cute doing this. I think it's so cute, guys. I just think this whole wreath come out so darling, and I hope you think so too. Please leave a comment, and like I said, stay to the end. Somebody's gonna like it. So please stay to the end. I have something exciting to tell everybody. Also, then, like I said, I'm just going to continue to add just a little embellishment here and there. Like I said, do what you guys want to do with this. Now I'm showing you where I'm gluing on the ear, and it just glues down, just sticks to the mesh and the ribbon, however you want to stick it, whatever you want to stick it to, and just hold it down. It will eventually hold on to that. I didn't show you, but I did glue on the body of the bunny ear, or the bunny head, excuse me, onto the wreath as well. But now I'm just showing you how I do the ears. And then these ears, I love it because you can bend them over any way you want them. I just really like this bunny head. And like I said, I got it at the Dollar Tree for $3. See how cute this come out, guys? Oh my goodness, I just think it's adorable. I love it. I hope you do too. Oh, I just think he's so cute. Hey guys, super, super easy, wasn't it? I told you it would be. Also, we said if you stayed to the end, we had a surprise for you. Well, the surprise is that you guys must be a subscriber, so please subscribe. And that you must leave us a thumbs up. And in the comments, you must leave Bunny Wreath. And we will pick from those subscribers to win this wreath. I will send it to you. I do want to explain to you guys, it is an 18-inch wreath, so it is pretty large. But gosh, it's so cute. I'm going to have to make another one for myself. But I can't wait to see the lucky viewer that gets this, the lucky subscriber that gets this wreath. It's so cute. And you, like I said, you guys can do this wreath any way you would want to, decorate it anyway with any embellishments that you want. If you didn't want the bunny head, you could always put a basket or anything else you wanted in there. But anyway, like I said, to qualify to be the winner of this, subscribe, give us a like, and in the comments, leave Bunny Wreath. And Patty will pick a random person, and we'll show her picking it out of a hat or bowl or whatever we decide to do of all the people that subscribed. We'll put all your names into this bowl, and Patty's going to pick out the winner. So you guys will see this live, so you know we're doing it fair. Anyway, have a happy Easter, and God bless you guys. See you next time. Happy crafting.